Listen to part of a lecture in an astronomy class.
Now let's talk about solar eclipses. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the sun and Earth and casts a shadow over Earth. It can only happen during the phase of the new moon, when the moon moves between the sun and Earth. There are 4 types of solar eclipses: total, partial, annular, and hybrid. A hybrid eclipse is a combination of 2 eclipses, which is very rare. The moon's shadow has 2 parts. One is called the umbra, the darkest part of the shadow, where no sunlight falls, and the other is the penumbra, which is the partially shaded region around the umbra, with lighter shadow, because light from some parts of the sun falls in this area. A total solar eclipse occurs when the sun, moon, and Earth completely line up, and the moon casts its umbra on Earth. Because only the people standing in the umbra will be able to see a total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipses exist only along a narrow path on the Earth's surface. They are not only brief, but also rare. Unlike a total solar eclipse, a partial eclipse does not need the sun, moon, and Earth in a perfectly straight line, so the moon does not completely block the sun's light. Thus, it does not become as dark as it does during a total solar eclipse. For an annular solar eclipse to occur, the 3 celestial bodies are in an exact line. But the smaller size of the moon does not completely obscure the sun, so it creates a characteristic ring of fire, a very bright ring surrounding the dark disk of the moon. A hybrid eclipse changes its appearance as the moon's shadow passes the Earth's surface. It begins as an annular eclipse, and then shifts to a total eclipse, and you can see why hybrid eclipses are comparatively rare.
Question 2. In the lecture, the professor listed many features of a total, partial, and an annular solar eclipse. Indicate which of the following features are mentioned in the lecture. Click in the correct box for each phrase. One of the answer choices will not be used.